Welcome, guys. Once again, a very quick update on the sway markets. There was a big news from yesterday, very big and major news. The release of the Sway Chat Pro version. So about 2 days ago, over the weekend, they released the regular version of the Android app, which I really wasn't too impressed with that. But just yesterday, they released the Pro version of the Sway Chat trading platform, and this is really awesome. And I'll be showing you how to set it up and also how to navigate and understand the platform. So when you get on your Sway Markets website, you click on your Sway Charts, you click on the menu and go all the way to the Sway Chart. So the Sway Charts, we have two different platforms. We have the regular Sway Chart and you have the Pro version of the Sway Chart. So the Pro version here is what we are interested in, and this is available for all users. You have the iOS, you have the Android, Windows, Mac, and you have the web trader. So I'm going to use the Android to explain this setup. So it is really the same thing. So you click on download now right here, and you all you need to do in this case is to follow all these steps. You have about 3 or 4 steps to follow, and it will be set up on your Android device, right? So this is not a regular download that you do from Play Store. You need to set it up from this very place. So you open your Chrome browser and you want to open this web right here, this webtrader.chat.io, or you simply use the click here. So when you do that, it's going to bring you to this very page you have over here. And from this very page, the next thing you need to do is to click on the 3 dots at the top right of the screen. You can see the 3 dots right here. You click on it. So when you click on the 3 dots, it's going to show you this screen here. So on this screen, you look all the way down, you see install app. So when you click on the install app, it's going to be installed on your device, and you see something like this on your device. So this is the app right here. So I have it installed already, so I'm just going to open it on my. Yes, so this is the Sway Chat Pro version right here. I have the regular version as well, so I'm going to use the Pro version right here for this tutorial. So when you open it, you'll find something like this, and the first thing you notice at this top corner is the language. You may set any language of your choice right there, and you have the account details here. So if you have logged in, you will find your account details like this, and if you are yet to log in, you can click you may simply click on add account and your account will be added. So I simply tap on the account and then I would be logged in right away. So after login, I would find something like this. This is how the platform looks like on default, and then you can set it up however you want it to look like. And from here, you can see here, I have multiple tabs over here. I have so this is where you can simply access your chat. If you are looking at multiple watch lists, you can have them right here. So I have 2 tabs here. I have the EA tab and I have the pound USD tab, and it is very easy to navigate between these two. You can see it is very easy, super easy to navigate between these two here. And the other option here, you can also change or look out for different markets from here. If you have added to your favorite, you find them here, and you may also search for a market right here. Let's look for USD JPY, which is right here. You simply tap on it and UJ will be open. If you want to look at a different market, the same thing, you click on the UJ at the top and then you search for your market. If you are looking for, let's look at pound USD, gold XU. So this is the gold chart here. You can see the same thing applies. You search for it and then it will be open right away. Very easy as that. That is how easy it is. And you may add multiple tabs right here. So this other option over here, the plus sign over here, you can use that to add a new watch list on your platform. So if I click right there, I can add a new chart to the platform. So let's say I'm looking at if I want to look at EU Euro USD, I simply tap on it and that will be added. So very simple as that, very simple as that. And the next one, which is right here, let's look at this. So this here, the H4 here helps you to set your time frame If you want to use there are different time frames, custom time frames. You have the M2, the M3, M4, custom time frames. Everything is all here: H1, H2, H3, H6, H8. You can set time frames from this very place. So very easy as that. And the other setting over here is to help you with your extra chart details, how you want to set up your charts. If you are looking at the candlestick charts, your line charts or orders, we have orders here. You can see we have different types of charts, chart type that you can use to watch your market. So you can go all the way to the price style. Your cursor also, you can use this cursor also to set up your cursor. So you have the crosshair, you have the markers, you have the move, you have the measure. So the crosshair, where you activate this, is going to show you the crosshair, like what you see right now. You'll be able to find your crosshair to understand price at every point in time. And you can also use we have the measure tool right here. If you want to calculate pips, to count pips, you can use the measure tool right there to help you to calculate pips, so you know the value of your market. You can see in this case I have 189 pips right there, and it shows you the details of everything within the price range. So this is simply how to calculate pips. In this case, you can use that tool to help you to calculate your pips. And we have other tool also you can use. Okay, let's go on to the other one. Let's go back and let's go to indicators. So if you use indicators, you can add indicators to your chart. Very easy. You click on add indicators right there, and then you can search for the indicators you want to use. So let's look at the relative strength index, RSI. When you tap on it, it will be added to your chart. So this is it right here. Have the RSI right here. You can you may edit it however you want. You may also move it to the top. If you want it to be at the top, you may move it to the top. If you want it to be at the bottom, you may move it to the bottom. And if you want to close it also, you simply close it with the X. If you want to set it up, you can use the setting to set your period. I believe most people love to use RSI 5. You apply it, and then it's going to give you your RSI 5. So that is simply how to do it. So if you are not using it, you can simply close it right there. So that is how to set your indicators. And the other features I will also talk about would be your drawing. If you want to draw on your chart, very easy. You are able to draw your chart from this option. So let's go all the way back. Let's look at the visual options. The visual options also very important. So let's click on the show at the top. So if you want to use extra settings on your chart, you can use the show scroll bar. If you want to show your scroll bar, you can show it right there. If you want to use the one-click panel, you activate it right there, and it's going to show you your one-click panel. You can see the sell and the buy right there, right? So you may use this one-click trading to help you open your trade a lot faster. So that is really how to do that. Let's go back and deactivate that. So I've deactivated it. And if you also want to open your trade a lot faster, you can use the sway icon right here, the sway chart icon right here. You click on it, and it's going to show you this panel from the right hand side to help you place your trade a lot faster also. So there are many ways to place your trade on the sway chart. So you can use the sway icon, the sway chart icon right here. You tap on it, and it's going to help you place your trade right from here. So very easy to understand. And one of the features I enjoy so much on this platform is the full screen setup. So you are able to have a full screen of your chart by simply clicking on this menu icon. When you click on that menu icon, you have your full screen right there. So this is the full screen here, and you are able to have a better understanding of the chart right from here. You are able to have a better understanding of the chart right from here. You can see you have a much bigger chart area to analyze on, right? So you can you have all these options. You can change your markets right from there. You can also change your time frame right from this place, and everything else you can do right from this place, right? So you do not miss out on anything. And if you do not want to use the full screen, you do the same thing. You tap on the menu icon and you exit full screen. So I've exited the full screen, and I'm back to this place. So the other thing here would be you're definitely gonna find your profit and loss. If you have an open trade, you find your profit and loss reading right here. Your balance, you find it at the top also. So very simple as that. So let's go back to this option here. Uh, the 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 bottom option right here, the sway icon at this left hand side. When you tap on it, is going to bring you to a place where you can have where you can place your trade also. And to place your trade, you have more advanced features. Like I said, you can set your stop loss. Your risk management is really important. So the sway chart gives you a lot of ways to set your risk management. You have by pips, by price, by percentage of equity, by percentage of balance, by cash risk, buy high, buy low. You can use all of these features to help you, any of these features to help you set your stop loss. The same thing applies if you want to set your take profit. Your TP also, you can click on that and set your take profit by pips. You can set it by price. You can set it by percentage of equity, percentage of balance, cash risk, and all of that. So it is very easy to set your TP also from that option. And let's go on to the position. When you click on position, we are able to find the details of any positions you have in your account. You find it listed right here. And when you go on to tools, you have access to tools. Everything I've explained, you have access to tools also. And your account details, you find your account details right here. So the details of your account balance, your equity, your floating profit or loss, your open profit, your margin in use, you find all of those details right here. So we can see this platform here is very simple yet really advanced, really advanced. So you are able to do almost everything you need to do by using this platform. So you can click on this this menu icon at the top left. When you click on that, you are able to find more options here to help you understand your account details. So you have your account history, your trades, your quotes, your chart. You can use all of this also to help you understand everything you want to do. So you may play around this platform to help you gain a better understanding of everything going on. So you have the quotes here. This is the quotes. You find your quotes right there. And then you have your trade. If you have an open trade, you find it also right here. If you have so if you want to change your account settings, you click on settings and you can do that. If you want to find details of your account, you click on account and you have access to that. And if you want to log out, you simply use the other options to help you log out. So let's go back to chat. So on the chat, I have this, and these are the watch list I have right now on the chat, and it is really as simple as this. So let me quickly look at one of the chat options, the visual options. Okay. So I think that is really everything about the Sway Chat Pro version. It is a lot more advanced and looks very great compared to the regular version. So I would advise everyone to get on the Sway Chat Pro version, and I believe you would enjoy trading on this very platform. So that'll be everything on this quick session, and I hope you enjoy this platform. If you have any review, any opinion on this platform, you can share it also in the comment section. Bye.